Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best welding cable available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Welding Welding Cable. This heavy-duty insulated cable is built for demanding electrical and industrial applications where durability, safety, and flexibility are essential. Rated for up to 600 volts, it is designed to perform reliably even in harsh environments, with an impressive operating temperature range from -50 degrees Celsius to +105 degrees Celsius, -58 degrees Fahrenheit to +221 degrees Fahrenheit. Its polyolefin-based construction provides strong fire resistance while also withstanding exposure to common solvents, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The high-quality EPDM insulation sheath further enhances performance by offering excellent resistance to heat, wear, tearing, moisture, oil, and corrosion, making it especially well-suited for automotive, marine, and solar energy systems. Despite its rugged protection, the cable remains highly flexible and easy to route, allowing it to be bent into various shapes without damage. Next up, we have Windy Nation Welding Cable. This Windy Nation power cable is a robust, industrial-grade solution designed for users who need reliable high-performance wiring for demanding electrical applications. Proudly made in the USA, it uses 100% pure copper conductors manufactured and annealed to ASTM standards, ensuring excellent conductivity, efficiency, and long-term durability. Rated up to 600 volts with an operating temperature range from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to +221 degrees Fahrenheit, it performs consistently even in extreme environmental conditions. The EPDM insulation sheath is a key strength, offering outstanding resistance to abrasion, solvents, oil, moisture, and general wear, making it well-suited for automotive, solar, marine, and off-grid power systems. Its ultra-flexible construction allows for easy routing and installation in tight or complex spaces without compromising integrity. Compliant with SAE J1127 standards, it delivers professional-grade safety and reliability. Coming in at number 3, Wire Welding Cable. This 4AWG heavy-duty battery cable is engineered for high-current applications where efficiency, safety, and long-term durability are essential. Its ultra-low resistance design helps ensure stable power delivery while minimizing heat buildup, making it well-suited for demanding automotive, solar, and off-grid electrical systems. Constructed with 673 strands of 0.2 mm oxygen-free annealed copper, it offers exceptional conductivity along with remarkable flexibility, allowing repeated bending without fatigue or breakage, an important advantage for tight routing and vibration-heavy environments. The dual-layer insulation system, combining 2 mm premium EPDM with an additional PET film layer, provides strong protection against abrasion, moisture, and environmental wear while maintaining consistent electrical insulation integrity. Rated for 450/750 and operating reliably from -50 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius, it performs consistently in both extreme heat and freezing conditions without becoming brittle or deforming. Now at number 4, EWCS Welding Cable. This EWCS cable is designed with durability and versatility in mind, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor electrical applications where reliability matters. Its sunlight-resistant and water-resistant construction ensures consistent performance even when exposed to harsh environmental conditions, reducing the risk of degradation over time. The highly flexible 30-gauge copper stranding enhances maneuverability, allowing for easy routing through tight spaces, bends, and complex installations without compromising conductivity or structural integrity. This flexibility also helps prevent internal breakage during repeated adjustments or movement, making it ideal for dynamic or long-term setups. Supplied in a coil format, it is convenient to store, transport, and deploy without tangling or damage. Each unit is specially packaged and printed by EWCS, reflecting a focus on quality assurance and manufacturing consistency. And finally, our last pick, Runway Welding Cable. This 4AWG copper-clad aluminum (CCA) Cable is a cost-efficient solution tailored for standard automotive audio and power distribution needs. Built with a 0.26-inch conductor diameter and manufactured to Category 4 standards, it is designed to ensure stable and efficient power transmission in everyday electrical setups. While CCA does not match the conductivity of pure copper, it offers a practical balance between performance and affordability for non-critical applications such as car audio systems and basic power supply projects. Its multi-strand twisted construction paired with a flexible PVC insulation sheath makes it highly adaptable, allowing smooth routing through tight and complex spaces like engine bays and vehicle interiors, which significantly simplifies DIY installations. The cable's versatility extends beyond automotive use, making it suitable for battery connections in motorhomes, marine systems, and even solar setups. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.